What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Can't just let go. There's nothing around you to hold you up. Hi. I get the hiccups. What you got there? What is it? A drawer? Oh, there's even one down there. Now you're stuck, aren't you? You're trying to bend down? Come over here. You let go of the other hand. You gonna let go? You gonna hold on to me? Whoops! Whoopsies! Oopsie! Oh, there you go. You gonna take off down the hallway? Okay, there you go. That's the bathroom. We don't go in the bathroom. Come on. Come this way. Go this way. Go that way. There you go. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you found another rocking chair. You love the rocking chair. There's a video in there. I brought it to the news. Touch on it. There you go. See that? Whoops. Careful. Grab one of the walls. Put your stuff up. Continue to stuff. Hey! Careful. Fall. Fall on something. Hold on. Luna. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Heads on the ball. There. If you didn't give her your water, you have to go further in the room. You feel something behind. You don't step out the door. There you go.